Hello guys, uh, if you want to hack the Tambola game here, remote control, let me open this app. Okay, so let me open the controller. Okay, let me open the controller here. Okay, so you can see it, there's 61 and then 61 here. Okay, so let me generate one number here, 77. Okay, so let me choose 23. Okay, so let's generate it here.
23.
You can see it, so let me choose it 90. Okay, so generate
90.
You can see 90. If I choose 9,
9.
you can see it. So if I see this history also is working. Okay, so let me choose 1 here.
1.
You can see 34.
34.
You can see if I generate without choosing, you can see it
82.
82. Okay, if I choose 83 example. Okay,
83.
okay, if you want to make like this hack, you can contact me. Okay.